Alright guys, so during the unboxing of the Spoon FL5 S-Tie kit, I promised you guys I was going to unbox the racing harness and the floor brace bar. I think that's what they call it. Floor brace bar. So we're going to do it right now. Let's go, baby. Okay, like I promised, this is the Spoon Sports. Let me just slide this out of the way a little bit. We'll get to these boxes. This is the racing harness. Any spoon lover or enthusiast would love this kit, you guys. It looks amazing. We'll just cover this back up. And I guess they give you these, I think it's just the reinforcements. If you're gonna go through your, what do you got? The floor. They have the quick releases here. So we have two different options for your eyelets. Sick. Okay, so let me just wrap this up and I'm gonna show you. This is what I really wanted to show you guys. The harness is a bonus. Okay, so this is the one I want to show you guys. This is really nice. It's the floor brace bar. Super excited for this one. This is almost like a must-have. Okay, so this is the hardware that comes with it. All your eyelets. All right, guys, check this out. Whew. This is nice. Let me put it down. Let me put it down and I'm going to show you guys. This brace is nice. Nice stainless steel. Look at that badge, you guys. Sick. I don't know if you have an FL5 and you're planning on running any kind of harness or just want to just do a showpiece. This is it. You got to add one of these to your collection. Oh, man. The welds are so nice. Let me show you the other side. Super nice. A little girthy too. Have a little bit of weight on it. I highly recommend getting a set of this, you guys. It's just a nice showpiece. Even though it's on the floor, but when people look in, it's you know. And then you pair it with the brace. Oof. Okay. This is nice. Okay, we're not done yet. Bonus unboxing. I got a set of Spoon bucket seats right behind me here, but it's actually sold. My friend, well, as soon as I posted it, my friend bought it right away. So he took it right away because it takes a long time to get a set of these in. And once they're in, they usually don't last too long. So if you're looking for or in the market to get it set, I would do what my friend did and just don't hesitate, don't sleep, swipe the credit card, never denies. Let's get right into this unboxing. Okay, thank you, Romaine, for allowing us to do the unboxing with your beautiful seats here. Love you too, Beck. Okay. Okay, let me get a knife. Okay, let's open this bad boy. This is the most expensive tape I've ever cut. Let me just set you guys back a little bit, just in case. Or actually, you know what? I'll bring you guys over here. Because since I want to just give you guys like the full experience, so we're gonna unbox it while you guys are with me. Sheesh. Damn, really not much to it. They give you some spacers. The only thing I didn't get, because we didn't have it in stock, was the side rails. So if you order these seats, you got to get the spoon side rails. Those things they're really, really nice. Super light, like one hand. Nice. Smells so nice too. Woo! I love brand new stuff. It is insanely light, you guys. You can pick it up with one hand, no problem. I will definitely wait for you guys. This is nice. Carbon Kevlar. So, rumor is this seat will probably be soon discontinued with this backing, because I would probably say that rumor is probably true, because Bridge Japan doesn't have this material anymore, and so once they run out, they don't really reuse the material. So I'm kind of glad Romain picked up a set of these seats, because they're going to be very sought after and very valuable. Sick. Okay, I'm gonna lay it down this way first, and I want to just show you guys in detail. Hopefully the camera can capture it, how stunning the seat is. It's so nice. And the nice thing it says, it has a spoon tag, and then all your serial numbers and authentication numbers, I think is what it is. Quality control sticker. The carbon Kevlar is really nice in person. So nice. And I like the embroidery here. Super, super light. Last but not least, I'm gonna try to weigh this for you guys. It's actually really light, so okay, hopefully I got it. It is 12.6 pounds, 5.7 kilos. So let's say 12 pounds. 12 pounds. Not bad. Pick it up with one hand. That's actually very impressive. So I'm going to try to attempt to install this brace. It should be pretty straightforward. The unfortunate thing is the instruction here is all in Japanese. But it looks pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead and start assembling. The hardware that they give us is 4 eyelets here. And I believe this is a 17 mil. And we're going to go in and install 2 of them here. And then the other 2 right here. So based on the pictures, it looks like it's oriented like this. And there she is. It should look like that. Horizontal, horizontal and vertical for the middle ones. All right, so after further looking into the instructions here, you guys, there is a left-hand side and a right-hand side. So the ones that I have right now, this is almost 90 degrees. And this is like maybe like a 45. This is supposed to be on the inside of the seat. So what I have right now is the right-hand side. I'm missing the left-hand side. So make sure you grab the right ones when you order, or unless if you're ordering just one, make sure you grab the right one, or else it won't fit. Okay, so if you look, this is actually the passenger side, because you see how this is almost like a, let's move it down here. This is, see, like a 90. And this is just like a 45. So this is the passenger side. So it won't fit. So if you look here, it fits like a glove. So it's actually really nice where a quality piece actually fits really, really nice. And you know, you don't have to fool around or just play around with it. Everything just fits nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it back in. There we go. Nice and beautiful too. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide the seat back and see if it interferes with anything. I'm just gonna let you guys know. That's nice. It fits perfectly, no issues at all. It's nice. All right, guys, so that's it. All loaded up. So at least we found out that it will not fit in an F-150, guys. So the seats will have to go in the back. And if you have a bed cover, well, you won't be able to close it. All right, so that's it for this week's unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I highly recommend getting a set, or I'm sorry, a pair of those spoon harness braces. Those are nice, you guys. Beautiful addition to the FL5. We'll catch you guys in the next week's vlog. See ya.